Hip key and thigh hitch. All right, we're going to talk a little bit about both here and the differences, and we're going to start with the same side. So we're going to start same side fabric, straddle up, hook that same side leg. You're going to lift above and reach and go to your meat hook. This is your thigh hitch position. From here, you're going to bring the fabric around the back. This is your hip key. Fan out, then you can release your legs. Okay, now we're going to go from our hip key, which is the opposite side wrap meat hook. This, you swim your tail around the back to the front. This is your thigh hitch. If you were to come out, you would get stuck here. So in order to come out, you would have to swim the fabric back around and go back to hip key. Hey Fly Tribe, it's Abby here from the Flying Fitness, and I just hope you enjoyed your tutorial for the week. And guys, if you have anything in mind that you would like to see, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and we will be sure and do a tutorial for you. And if you have yet to subscribe to our channel, go ahead and ring that bell to be the first to know when we post a new tutorial. All right, see you next week.